Dear friends, welcome to Quest for Knowledge. In today's session, we are going to talk about Java method references. This was the feature added in Java 8. Now to understand it completely, watch this video till the end. Now let's begin today's video. Method references, as the name suggests, it is used to refer method of functional interface. In our previous video, we talk about functional interface. It is just an interface having only one method. So basically, one method interface is known as functional interface. Functional interface is also known as single abstract method interface. As we know, methods of interface are abstract. So functional interface is also known as single abstract method, because in functional interface we have only one method, right? For example, here we have interface named greeting, and in this particular interface we have only one method with named greet, right? So this particular interface is functional interface. Functional interface, that is having only one method, right? So when we talk about types of method references, we have three types of references. First one is reference to a static method. We can refer static method. Next one is we can refer instance method. And third one is reference to a constructor. So using method references, we can refer static method, we can refer instance method, and we can refer constructor, right? So let's understand these one by one. So first is reference to a static method. So to refer static method, syntax is simple. First we write class name, that is having static method. Then we put 2:, and then we write static method name. So here we write method name that we want to refer. Now let's see one example of this. So here we have functional interface named greeting with one abstract method named greet. Next we have class. Class name is method reference, and in this particular class we have one static method. So public static void, and static method name is greet someone. Inside this method we have one print statement, and this print statement is hello, this is static method. And next we have main method. So inside main method we are referring this static method. So as we discussed the syntax, first we write class name. So here class name is method reference. So method reference, then we put 2:, and then we write method name. So here static method name is greet someone. So we are writing greet someone. So here we are creating reference of this particular interface greeting named greetable, and we are referring this particular static method, right? So this syntax is clear. Now we are calling this greet method with this reference greetable. So when we write greetable.greet, it will invoke this particular function greet someone, because here we are referring this static method with greeting reference, right? So when we compile this code and when we run this code, output will be hello, this is a static method. Hope this particular output is clear. If you have any doubt, any query, you can write me in the comment box. Next, understand the reference to an instance method. So when we refer instance method, syntax is simple. We write object name, then we put 2:, and then we write instance method name. As we know, static methods belong to class. So when referring to static method, we write class name. And when we refer instance method, we write object name. Now let's understand reference to an instance method using one code. So here we have one interface named greeting with one abstract method greet. Next we have class named instance method reference. Now in this case we have one non-static method, that is instance method, because here we don't have any static keyword. So this method is instance method named greet someone, and this particular function is printing one statement, hello, this is non-static method. Next we have public static void main, and inside this main method we are creating object of this class. So class name is instance method reference. So we are creating object, and object name is method reference equals to new instance method reference. So this is the syntax to create object, right? Now we are referring non-static method using this particular reference. So here we are creating reference of this particular interface greeting named greetable, and we are referring this particular non-static method. So syntax is simple. First we write object name. So here method reference is object name that we have created, and then we put 2 colon, and then we write instance method name. So here in this case instance method is greet someone, right? Now we are calling interface method using this particular reference. So we are writing greetable dot greet. So this particular greet invocation will go to this particular method and it will print hello, this is non-static method, because in this particular reference we have referred this particular greet someone instance method, right? So when we run this code, output will be hello, this is non-static method, right? So this is the line printed inside greet someone method. So here we are referring instance method, right? So with greeting reference we can call this particular instance method using this particular greet, right? And greet is the method inside this particular interface, right? Hope this particular output is clear. If you have any doubt, any query, you can write me in the comment box. Now let's see how to refer to a constructor. Now to refer constructor, we first write class name, and then we put 2 colon and we write new keyword, right? So here we use new keyword as we know constructors are invoked when we create object, right? Now let's understand it using one example. So in this particular code we have one interface, functional interface named greeting. Here we have one method get message that takes one parameter and returns message, right? So here message is a class. Inside message we have one parameterized constructor. So this particular constructor takes one parameter of string type and it print this particular message. Now we have one class named constructor reference. So far we have one functional interface, we have one class named message, and we have another class named constructor reference. Inside main method we are referring this constructor. So syntax as we discussed, we write class name. So here class name is message and we are referring this particular constructor using new keyword, right? So here we are creating reference of this particular interface greeting named greet, and we are referring the constructor of this particular class, right? So when we invoke greet.getMessage with hello, it will print hello, right? Because this particular constructor prints the value of this particular parameter, right? So when we compile this code and we run this code, output will be hello, right? So using this new keyword, we can give reference to a constructor. Hope this particular output is clear. That's all in today's video. Thank you for watching this video till the end.